design PCB using Easyeda. So for that, from your web browser, search for Easyeda. Then click on the first link that appears in your web browser. After clicking this particular link, you will be landing in this particular page. Okay, and you will be seeing the two mode here. One is in designing the software using online mode, or you can even download it. So it's your choice. I will prefer in online mode. Okay, so you can use Pro Edition or Standard Edition, and both are free. And for now, for this session, I will be using Standard Edition. After entering into the particular link of the Standard Edition, you will be directed to this particular page. Okay, and before doing anything with the software, you must register here. Okay, you can log in with your personal mail ID so that your all work can be saved in the cloud itself. Okay. After logging through your Google Mail ID, you will again land in this particular page, and from here you can click the design online mode and click on the Standard Edition. You can close all the other tabs here, and to make the project, or you have to make a new project, you have to click here new project, and you will be using standard project and give a particular title to your project. Okay, I will be giving it as my first project. Okay, then after making a new project here, you will be landing in this particular interfaces. Okay, so instead of explaining all the interface here, let's understand by building a circuit. Okay, so we will be just simply building a LED circuit having a LED and a particular space for supplying the voltage for the LED through the resistor. Okay, for that we have common library here, and from here you can select various type of resistors here, capacitors and cell connectors and LED diode. Lots of options are there. If you want to get any particular IC or any particular electronic component which is not available in this particular common library, you can go to the library option here, and you can find here by typing the keywords or the particular name of that particular electronic component. Okay, then after that, just click on the particular resistor here and place it here in this canvas. Make sure that you place all the components inside this particular canvas. You can adjust the size of canvas by just simply clicking here, and in the right side of this particular web page, you will be getting the various size of the this particular canvas. You can either make it small or large. You can also make it into portrait or in landscape mode. Okay, then after placing this particular resistor here, make sure that you click only once, not double tap. If you double tap this particular component, it will take you to another tab where we can edit the symbol. So make sure that you just click only once and just place the component here inside the canvas. Okay, then we can search for the LED here. Either you can type here LED, and you can opt for either SMD type LED, and the 0603 is the SMD packages of this particular LED. And if you want through hole, you can opt for through hole component here. So I will be going through the through hole components here, that is LED through hole 3 mm, and I will be using green color. You can use either red or you can either use blue. Okay, then I place it here. For connecting this particular circuit, you have to connect it through a wire which is available in the wiring tool. Okay, just connect it through the wire and you will get a circuit here. Okay, but there is missing something. What is that? SL. SL is to be connected through this LED for making it work. Okay, so for that, instead of cell, I will be using jumper here. I will be using male header pin of 1 into 2 type. Like it will be having 1 row 2 column. Sorry, 2 row 1 column header pin will be there, and you can use it for connecting the supply here. Okay, so instead of connecting the circuit directly, I will connect it to the particular connector. Okay, and from here onwards I can connect it to the particular circuit. Okay, you can make it a little more like in a structured way, and for the for the understanding purpose we will be adding flag here. So by adding the flag here, we are saying that we will be giving the 5-volt supply to this particular pin, and from here the ground will be connected, like the negative terminal of the cell will be connected. So by this way you can make the circuit simply in this canvas, and like any type of circuit can be built here. Okay, and after doing this particular circuit, the next step is to design the PCB. And so for that, click here in the design tab, convert the schematic to PCB. Okay, and before converting it, make sure you save the file here by simply pressing Ctrl S. Okay, and after that, convert the schematic into the PCB. You can make it in either circular or round rectangle form or in custom way. So I am opting here for rectangular way, where you can also like set the width and height of the particular board and the axis also. Currently this software don't support single layer, so we have to use 2-layer copper also, but while fabrication we can manage it. Okay, so all the units will be measured in millimeter. You can change it in another unit also. Okay, then after applying here, you will get a defined outline here. You can also make it enlarged or you can also decrease the width of the particular board. So after that, we have to place the components here, and we can also rotate the components orientation here by simply clicking the space bar in the keyboard, and we can place the like text anywhere we can. If you want to place this particular text in another place, you can place it. Okay, and by pressing the space bar you can rotate the components here. So we made the particular PCB and we placed the components inside the PCB board. Okay, now we have to draw the track for this. So for that, we have in PCB tool we have track here, and we are drawing this particular track in the bottom layer. So for changing the layer, just simply click the layer button here, and we can like switch through the various layers here. So here I am using bottom layer, and after connecting the components, after placing the components inside the PCB, we will be connecting it through the tracks. So if the track is in the bottom layer, you will get blue color. Okay, and if the track is in the top layer, you will get red color. So you can differentiate it. So I am using black color here, blue color here. So it means it is in the bottom layer. But there is an issue here. We are using SMD component here. So it is better to use top layer, so that we can draw the track more conveniently without using any via or something. Okay, then you can simply connect it through this particular way, and you will be connected here. Okay, then if you want to like make copper area here, you can draw it by simply clicking here copper area option, and we can make the net area as ground. Okay, and by simply placing it in the 4 points of the PCB, just press the right click here and you will get the particular layer. Okay, and you can also make holes in the particular PCB for making to insert screws or something inside this particular PCB, and there will be a hole created. You can adjust its hole diameter by adjusting here, by changing the values here. Okay, and yeah, after that, make sure that you before drawing the copper area, you draw the means you place the holes inside the PCB, or it will get an error. And after that, you can make the copper area. Yeah, and after this, you can convert it to the 2D mode to visualize your particular PCB, and even you can convert it to 3D model for better understanding of the PCB, that how it will look after the fabrication. You can even convert the color from blue to green, red and yellow, and other various colors are available here. Okay, and by this way you can create a simple circuit inside the Easyeda. If you want more detailed tutorial, please comment tutorials in the comment section.